Hi guys, Sam here with Happily Hooked. So we're back with part 2 of our little ghosty pattern. Today we're gonna make the body of it. I'm super excited about it. He's just so precious. I love him so much. So I'm super excited. So grab your head, grab your yarn, and I'll be here with you in just a second. Hi friends, real quick, if you guys want to join the coolest crochet community on the internet and join over 20,000 members that love yarn just as much as you do, click the link in the description below, and I cannot wait to see you in our community. Alright, so we are back for part 2. We've got our little head done. So as you can see, it's just a small little lumpy head. What you can do is you can grab your polyfill. So I'll move this out of the way and we'll grab our polyfill. I've already pulled mine apart because I like to do that to make sure that it's not going to be lumpy. And you just grab a little bit of it, make a nice little ball with it. And then I put it in there right now. So I'm not gonna completely stuff this all the way full, but I am going to start putting a little bit in there just so it's easier to hold as we do this next section. So I've got a little bit of polyfill in there, and then I'm gonna put my hook back on my yarn, and we are gonna start working this little guy's body next. Alright, so what we're gonna do is in each stitch, so you'll see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are gonna put 2 single crochets in each stitch. Oh, we forgot to do our chain 1. And 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So then we will just slip stitch to the top and chain 1. And now we are going to do 2 single crochets in each stitch around again. So now we're gonna have 32 stitches when we get done. And we're kind of aggressively making this go out pretty fast. And then we will slip stitch back to join and chain 1. And then we're going to do 2 single crochets in the first and 1 single crochet in the second. And we're going to continue that around as well. So we're just going to make sure. So 2 in the first, 1 in the second. 2 in the first, 1 in the second. and then slip stitch to the top and chain 1. So now we've got this little wavy neck on it, and that's what it looks like right now. So at this point, this is where I would stuff the head a little bit more. You can wait and do this at the end, it doesn't really matter, but I like to put it, it just gives me something a little bit more stronger to hold on to. So I just get his head stuffed a little bit more. And then after we put on its eyes, I will put in any more polyfill that I think needs to go in his little head. And then we will put our yarn back on our hook. And now for rows 16 through 22, all we're gonna do is we're gonna single crochet in each stitch all the way around. So we're just gonna go in and start putting 1 single crochet in every space all the way around. So I'm gonna get that done and I will be right back here with you in just a second. All right, so we are on the last couple stitches of our round. So we're gonna finish this up. And then we will slip stitch to the top of the beginning and chain 1. And this is where we are ending for right now. So now we have this cute little body on our cute little head. And as you noticed over here, I write down my rows, or my rounds or my rows, depending on what I'm working on, especially if it's like the same thing over and over again, because I'm not gonna remember which round I'm on. So I write them down right here and then I just cross them off as I go. It's just a little trick that I use. But yes, so we've got our head and we have our body, and then when you guys come back next week, we will put on the bottom part of this little ghost and its little head and its hanger, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!